A key pillar of lean is respect for people, and we have found the ultimate example right here behind me. So just off the production floor is this 5-star bathroom, and it's unbelievable. So look at the detail, look at the quality. It's like something you would see in a 5-star hotel. You can wash your hands here, dry them right here. We've got a nice scent here. We've got music playing, automatically comes on once you come into the bathroom. We've got all the bathroom supplies over here, and everything's Kanban, all organised, all labelled. We've got a €6,000 toilet with an automatic lid, Japanese style. It's just incredible that they would go to this level of effort and detail for their employees. And I think it's really obvious that they want to encourage their team to maintain the standards. So I think the standard of this bathroom shows the level that this organisation is at, and that level of respect filtrates through the entire organisation. If you want to develop a real culture of respect within your organisation, start in the bathroom.